So I've now had my Thunder Laser Nova 35 Plus. That means it's an RF tube, it's just more advanced tube for laser cutting for about 3 weeks now, and I needed something to hold my longboard up onto the wall. So I designed this little bracket or a hook system that could hang up your board. And the way that I designed it is I measured the distance between the wheels and I came up with 5 inches. But in order for me to design it without spending a lot of money on the plywood, which this is, it's just painted black, I went ahead and cut the entire thing out of cardboard. What was great about the Thunder Laser is that normally cardboard catches on fire. Obviously, it's something you need to watch and have a fire extinguisher or a fire blanket ready. But what was incredible about it is that it cut it with precision, fast, and I was able to prototype it and make sure that the actual hooks fit the skateboard trucks just perfectly. So I have the file if you're interested. You can go ahead and you can move the slots back and forth. I went ahead and put a screw, and I also glued this so that it's nice and strong, and used 1/2-inch plywood. I think what's really great about the Thunder Laser is that all of the settings that you use in Lightburn, there's this wonderful library that you can download. So you're choosing something like a material, like a 1/2-inch material or a 3/4 or plywood or even paper. There's all the library settings are there for Lightburn. So Lightburn has been absolutely a game changer for me, and I truly love it. If you have a longboard or a skateboard, I have 2 different versions of this file that's either on my Etsy shop or on the web. Whatever you do, make something that connects someone.